Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about Base44. So we have seen the AI write snippets of codes, but Base44 is a little bit different. It doesn't just write code, it architects entire businesses, and I've seen this. So you talk it like a product manager, and it builds the front end, the databases, and the logic in real term. So let's put the test. It's just a fancy prototyping tool, or you can actually scale a real SaaS business to the platform 2026. So the self-healing, for example, speaking about that, is that if you change a database field, your whole app broke. Nowadays, Base44 uses a self-healing schema, right? So if you click into the data schema, you can find it directly into this left section. Now, there's a few elements I must tell you that are not available into the free version, so you wanted to check that out before you want to look for that directly in through the actual elements. Now, there's integrations, for example, that can be really helpful to get started. For example, there's a Stripe, there's a Notion, there's a Slack, there's Google Calendar, there's Google Slides, there's Instagram, TikTok. There's a lot of things that you can come over with. Now, when you change how the data works, the AI automatically renews everything like the button and workflows across your entire app. Let's start, for example, with a really easily applications. So let's say describe the application you want to create. Now, there are some native AI agents. So I'm going to open a new tab. Meanwhile, my website is being created. I'm going to go for Base44. And directly inside here, I'm going to focus into the element that says the super agents. So Base44 isn't just built by AI. It lets you build AI into your application without any API keys or complex prompts. So you can drag into an agent node, and it tells you whenever a user uploads a photo, for example, you want to describe the product instead of suggest the price. Something like that. This used to take weeks to code, now it takes 15 seconds, for example. So when you go for adding an agent node, you can go directly from super agents and go for put your super agent to work. Give your super agent a task to do. And down here, you even have a few ideas to get started. For example, we have into productivity, clean my inbox daily, or education, be my personal teacher, or home, never miss a bill, or spot price drops into my wish list. The possibilities are really endless. So now the wall, for example, customization and the coast, you wanted to check out the very complex UI layout. Here's what it gets a little bit tricky, because you wanted a pixel perfect, for example, custom designs that breaks the standard patterns. Base44 can get a little bit stubborn. So if you point to the compute credits meter into the corner, that you can see directly inside the upper section. In my case, I have the free versions, you might not be seeing like that, but basically you pay for the compute. Every time your AI agents run on your database scales, it eats credits more and more. So if your app goes viral, your monthly bill could jump from $30 to $300 overnight. So you're paying for the convenience of not having a DevOps team. So make sure that this price don't focus between the starter and the pro plan. Now, a quick comparison that I can give you, for example, something that actually works as well, I think, is Bubble, and the other one that I have seen so far is the Flutter Flow. Both applications are not that difficult to use, but I believe, for example, that speaking about the mobile native into the element of the Flutter Flow is really better than Base44, but into Bubble, for example, I think it's a little bit poor. And people say that the build is speed between all of them. Base44 has an instant prompt, which I think is going to be really interesting. And the near learning curve is really fast for people who don't know absolutely anything about creating websites or applications. So Base44 actually is going to be really affordable. It's going to be really beginner friendly to get started with applications. So my final verdict is that should you use it, well, you need to use for a MPP, internal tools, AI micro SaaS. So the better it is that this one is the best tool for getting a product to market before your competitors. You can let us know into the comments below so we can start making these kinds of websites in a very easy way. You can see that here, meanwhile we're actually making an actual tutorial, the Base44 is starting to make an actual application. Meanwhile we're actually doing that element for us. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you liked this video. So hopefully we can all see you well guys next time. See you soon.